Hi there, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and we're going to take a look at the Cat Mythos and Magick Oracle new deck in stock. Oh, I can't get it undone, there we are. Box. Stating the obvious there. So what does it say on the back? The mystical cats have chosen you, blah, blah. As its human companion. So it's about cats. Each brings its natural magic to enhance your own psychic abilities. Their energy wards off negative vibrations and brings you good luck, protection, comfort and support. Whether you relate to the mischief maker or a contemplative cat, each offers a delightful story and insightful message to guide you to the answers you seek. So there are 45 cards and you have a guidebook, which obviously goes through each of the... So when you get it, you've got a message about the cat, and then the cats of Noah's Ark. Is it the same on every single one? Nope, about polycaptic. So it's different for each one. And then have we got at the end, it should tell you how to use the book. Yes, yeah, so you've got some spreads, you see. Oracle cards are wonderful companions because you can just pick an oracle card for the day ahead. You can do the same with the tarot, but they are really good companions. So that's the back of the cards. Let's take a look. Okay, so self-confessed cat lover here. I have two little monkeys. I have the black and white ones. I think they're called tuxedo cats, but I've had various cats throughout the years, obviously. I miss my black cat. He died a couple of years ago now, 2 years ago, and he was 18 when he passed. And he was my true familiar. Although they all are, aren't they? And by familiar, I mean, this is a bit like mine. But by familiar, I mean that he was always with me when I was working. He was drawn to the energy of the cards. It was almost peculiar. So if you want to slow me down so you can see them slowly, then you adjust the speed in the settings. Or if you want to speed me up, so you can just have a look at the thing. Or if you want to silence me entirely, you can hit the mute button. The control is in your hands, as it always should be. Oh, beautiful, aren't they? I can't say that. Polydactyl. And then I'll pull just one random card at the end. Oh, look at that beauty. It's a bit like my old cat, Baloo. Actually, it was my husband's cat, but he kind of adopted me, as they do. Oh, I love head bumps. Yeah, as I said, self-confessed cat lover. And dogs. Just cats, actually, and dogs, all animals. So those are the Cat Mythos and Magick Oracle. Let me just quickly randomly pull a card for you for the day ahead. What have we got? Courageous Abandon, number 14. Oh, straight on it as well. So gather your confidence and move forward. Wild determination and courageous abandon are propelling you. Mythos, it's time to close your eyes and take a leap. The Turkish fan invites you to discover the magic of recognizing that courage is not the absence of fear. It is the willingness to master it. You already possess the emotional strength, determination and self-compassion, so take the leap with courageous abandon. Feels so much like the Fool, doesn't it, in the tarot? Right, water lovers, these cats excel in swimming. On their shoulder blade, you will see a marking that resembles a thumbprint, which is said to be the mark of Allah, a blessing the cat received from God as he departed the ark. Oh, how lovely. The cats of Noah's Ark. Several cat stories swirl around the Noah's Ark legend. One tells of a cat so involved in playing he nearly missed his chance to board. He scurried on and caught his tail in the closing ark doors. Ouch, the first bobtail cat came to be. Another story says the cats did not make the boarding at all. When Noah asked the lions to help contain the rodent population, they replied they were much too large to catch the small creatures. At that moment, the lions sneezed and tiny kittens came from their expulsion of air. The kittens did such a fine job of holding down the rodent population that they were given the honour of leading the animals off the ark. Lastly, there was one impatient feline who, when spotting islands appearing, threw himself overboard and swam to land to begin his new life. So essentially that's about courageous abandon. Okay, so I hope that's made you feel very courageous today, and thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.